Hi, AFRAAZ. It's Amanda, your reading buddy. Shall we read another story today? This one is called I Have the Hiccups, written by Anne Harth. Hic, I have the hiccups. They won't go away. Hold your breath and count to 10, Mum says. I take a deep breath. I puff out my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. I count to 10. I still have the hiccups. Drink a glass of water, Dad says. I drink. The water is cold. It dribbles down my chin. Uh-oh. I still have the hiccups. Eat a pickle, my brother says. I don't like pickles, I say. He shrugs. It will get rid of your hiccups. I take a tiny bite of a pickle. It's sour. I make a face. I still have the hiccups. I go next door to Auntie Nura's house. Help, I say. I have the hiccups. Oh no, look. Lay on the floor, Auntie Nura says. I lay on the floor. Lift your feet. I lift my feet. Sing the ABC song. What? I say. It'll work. Try it. I sing my ABCs. I still have the hiccups. My cousin Salima comes home. She's very smart. She reads a lot. I have the hiccups, Salima. Please help me, I beg. Salima says. Stand on one leg. I do. Hold onto a chair. Now stick out your tongue. I do. I stretch it out as far as I can. Now open your eyes really wide. I do. And try not to blink. Well, that sounds difficult, doesn't it? Now look over your shoulder, she says. I look over my left shoulder. Now wiggle your toes. I wiggle my toes. I hope I don't fall. I am wobbling on one leg. My eyelids are getting tired. My tongue is dry. My neck is sore too. Wait, Salima says as she leaves the room. Don't move, she calls. I don't move, but really I want to. I wait and wait. Suddenly the door opens. A bright red flash blinds me. I put my leg down. I pull in my tongue. I blink my eyes and turn my head to the front. My toes stop wiggling. Salima laughs and holds up her camera. She shows me the picture she just took. I smile. I look silly. Yes, Salima laughs, but your hiccups are gone. Wasn't that a good story? She finally got rid of her hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups? I have, and sometimes they last forever. Okay, so let's answer a few questions. How many people try to cure the hiccups? Wow, let's think. There's her dad and her mom and her brother and her Aunt Nura and her and Salima. I think that's five. Do you remember what is her brother's idea for curing the hiccups? Let me think about that one. What was her brother's idea? Who is the first person to try and help her get rid of her hiccups? Do you remember? I think it was her mom. That's right. What did her mom ask her to do? I think it was count to 10, right? And that didn't work, did it? Okay, and the last question here is what is the best word to describe Salima? Remember Salima was the one who made her do all those funny little things to get rid of the hiccups. What do you think the best word is? Oh, I'm sure there's lots of words that describe her. How about silly? How about funny? How about smart, right? Because she was able to finally get rid of the hiccups. That was a good book. Shall we read another?